Hello guys, and welcome to a video by me, Bullet Bullets. In this video I'm going to be doing something a little bit more complicated than I normally would be doing, which is fine because it's a computing channel anyway. Now what I'm going to do is, you can clearly see down here, it says my name in here instead, which is Reese, just in case you didn't know. And it says Reese there instead of Start. You want to know how to get that? Because normally, as you know, it would say Start. But I've got it to say Reese, and it's a little complicated. It doesn't take too long, but you have to download one thing to do it as well. So on my YouTube account in a second to why, but just go to Google, type in Res Hacker, and you'll come up with Resource Hacker. And click the first link there, and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and just download the Europe one. After that, you know how to unzip and things like that. After you have done that, you unzip it, and you'll get this. Click Run. Now this is what you'll get. It will just come up Resource Hacker, and that is it. To get all the listings of what you'll need, you click File, Open, and it should customly bring you to Windows. If it doesn't customly bring you to Windows, you have to get into Windows, C Drive, Windows. And then search along from the folders into this called Explorer. Click OK after you click Explorer, and this will come up. Now we're not going to be touching anything except the things that I know how to do. So you extend the string table, you go into number 37 and you click 1033. Now as you can clearly see, it will say all of this, and this is the main part you want to be looking at here, the 5278 part, where it says Start. Keep these in. You have to keep these in. This is essential. You have to keep the speech marks in. Okay. So just delete the Start, where it says Start, and put in whatever you want to come up at the bottom here. So in my one I put Reese, but you can put in whatever you want. So I'm going to type in banana, as I always use for some reason when trying to give an example. And then click Compile Script. Then go File, Save As. It will save it in the Windows. I highly recommend that you name it whatever you wanted it to come down here. So if you wanted banana to come down here, call it banana or whatever. But please listen to this instruction, because it's probably the biggest instruction I can give you for the whole of the video. So call it whatever you want. Can't type. But please remember to put at the end .exe. That is essential. If you don't put .exe at the end, it isn't known as an exe file, obviously, and therefore can't be used for what we're trying to do it for, to change the start writing down here. So please remember to put exe at the end, then click Save. After that, you can get out Resource Hacker. That's no longer needed. Go into Start, or for me Reese, and click Run. Go into Regedit. Now I'm already in it purposely so I wouldn't forget, but I will show you exactly what to do. Wrong one. Now yours is going to look exactly like this. As soon as you open it, you need to go into HKey local machine, extend that. Go into software, extend that. Go into Microsoft, because it will look like this. Go into software, you're in software, and then go into Microsoft. Keep scrolling down, and then you'll see one called Windows NT, and it just look like this still. Click Windows NT. Keep scrolling down, and then you'll see another one that will look like this. It will say WinLog. WinLog on. Click onto that, and then you'll see another one called. Oh no, sorry. You once you go into WinLog, sorry there. Once you go into WinLog, instead of extending WinLog like you have done for the other ones where you extended them, you click on WinLog and you just simply click it. There you go, click, done. And now this will come up. Just scroll down a little bit to the S's, and you will see Shell, and it has like a broken A B thing. Double click on that, and it will customly say here Start or Explorer.exe. Now what you do is, what you've just called your file, you write that. So if you just called it banana, you type in banana.exe. If you called it, I don't know, shelf, you call it shelf.exe, and you type that in here. So mine's banana, so you type in banana.exe or whatever you've called it, click OK, and now you are done. As you can clearly see, it's still the same, but once you then restart, it will be to the new one how it was. Unfortunately, I can't actually show you that because I can't reboot and show you that. But it will go to that. Now, if you've had a problem, and the only thing you can possibly do wrong to do this is if you've accidentally forgot to put exe at the end. If you've forgotten how to do that, I will show you how to get it back to how it used to be. You will have none of this here, that will disappear, and this won't be here either. It will just disappear if you forgot to do exe when you reboot. So this is how you do it. You go Control-Alt-Delete, and it will bring you into the task manager. Once you go into the task manager, click File, New Task, and Run. And this is Run, because remember you won't have this at the bottom, so you're about to get into it. And you then go into Regedit. You then go back into all this again, and you click on Shell, and then you just type in again. So instead of it being banana or whatever, now you type in the Explorer instead, or you type in the Start. I can't remember what it was called, if it was called Start or Explorer or not. But you just type that in, and when you reboot again, it will come back everything how it was, and nothing will be harmed at all. If you do have any problems with this, I am very, very happy to answer in your comments or PMs, anything like that. But if you've done exactly what I've told you to do, dot by dot, nothing can go wrong. So this is a video by me, Bullet Bullets, to change the name, right, and blah 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 down here. So thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and thanks again.